In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign a customer task from the Sales module. This is a quick, reliable way to turn follow-ups and to-dos into clear, trackable work so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by heading to the Sales area and opening the Customers section. This is your central list of accounts and contacts. From here, pick the customer you're working with so the task you create is automatically tied to the right record. Keeping tasks linked to customers gives your team instant context later. No hunting around to figure out who or what the task is about. On the Customers page, look for the Create Invoice button near the top. Right beside it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down. It expands the list of actions available for this customer beyond invoicing, which is where the task option lives. From the drop-down, choose Create Task. This opens a task form that's already associated with the customer you selected. That association is powerful. When anyone views the customer, they'll also see the open tasks and history in one place. Now enter the task details. Give the task a clear, action-oriented title so it's obvious what needs to happen at a glance. In the description, add just enough context to make the next step unmistakable. Think the why, the what, and any key notes from your last conversation. If due dates or priorities are available in your setup, use them to indicate urgency and timing. The goal is to make the task self-explanatory for whoever picks it up. Keep in mind this is an internal reminder, so you can be concise and direct, but avoid including any sensitive information. Next, assign the task to the appropriate team member. Choose the person who owns the relationship or is best positioned to complete the work. Clear ownership helps prevent duplicate effort and ensures accountability. If your team uses workload balancing, be mindful of who has capacity. If you leave it unassigned, it may default to you or show up in a general queue, depending on your configuration. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see the task appear linked to the customer, and the assignee may receive a notification based on your organization's settings. From now on, that task acts as an internal reminder that keeps your process consistent from outreach to follow-up. And that's it. By navigating to Sales, opening Customers, using the drop-down beside Create Invoice to select Create Task, entering clear details, assigning it, and saving, you'll keep your customer work organized and your team aligned. This small habit adds up to fewer missed commitments and a smoother sales workflow.